action.
Hi, my name is Katie. I'm going to be doing the bench grinder. First, we're going to go over safety. Make sure you have safety glasses, closed-toed shoes, and no loose clothing. And wait for it to stop spinning whenever you're done with it. Some of the maintenance is keeping this clean, making sure that there's no debris or anything on it. And you tighten and loose it to readjust this, and you always want it at 1/8 away from here, or enough to where it can spin. And then you can tighten or loosen it with a 5/8 wrench. And then to readdress it, this is how you turn it on. And then to readdress it, you go left. That's how you readdress. Whenever you turn on the grinder, you're gonna wait till it reaches full speed. And you're gonna wait till the grinder is fully stopped before you walk away. And proper use. You want to get a pair of pliers or vice grips to tightly hold it in. And then whenever you're grinding, you want to go left to right. Until it's smooth.